Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a new DoubleClick Dewdrop release. This is going to be in perfect timing for the upcoming spooky Halloween season. All of these items are listed in my Etsy shop. However, if you are a regular subscriber or commenter, or I know you, you can direct message me and I can give you a little bit cheaper of a price since I won't have to pay Etsy fees. These are the two releases. On this side, we have the Witch's Brew, which includes the black, the orange, the purple, and the green. These are acrylic dewdrops. They're a little 3D, they're small. They are very similar regular gems in size. So you can see the difference. Give your projects an extra little touch. This is Witch's Brew. And then over here we have Pastel Halloween, and we have the pastel pink, the pastel blue, the pastel yellow, and the pastel green. This one is a new color. I've never released this color before, and it's probably one of my favorites right now. I love how soft that blue is. I just will show you a couple of quick projects. Here's this super cute pumpkin that I made using my Cricut cartridge. And as you can see, I like to add little dots to all of my projects. So here's one of the orange dewdrops. And then here, holding down the eyelash trim, is a little green one. He came out so cute. I adhered these little dots with my hot glue gun, and they stay on just perfectly. I also made a pumpkin in the pastel pink, and I used this pastel blue to hold down my eyelash trim, and then here is the pastel pink. And he came out so sweet. And these aren't only for Halloween. I'll show you. I just finished making this little bee card, and here I used one of the black ones at the end of his little bee trail. These two new releases, they are limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. And if you're interested, please check out my Etsy shop. It is linked down below, or you can direct message me on Instagram or just reach out to me on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for your support, and have a great day.